Much of modern science considers the brain a stand-alone instrument for information processing, much like a monarch of the body that makes unilateral calculations and hands down orders. Many cognitive neuroscientists have adopted an alternative approach, however, centered around the concept of embodied cognition. The basic idea behind embodied cognition is that many of the impressive feats that we credit to our cerebrum are actually accomplished by a complex interaction between the brain and the rest of the body. Certainly, in emotional processing, that seems to be the case. What you do with your body and your face in particular plays a significant role in how you feel. Consider what happens when you adopt the power pose Amy Cuddy and her colleagues refer to as Wonder Woman. Stand with your shoulders back, your legs are spaced apart, your neck is extended, and your head is facing forward. As you stand like this, even for about 2 minutes, your body changes the way your brain is functioning. There are some unconsciously controlled systems in your brain that are ramping up in activity, while others are being suppressed. In just a few minutes, your personality actually changes. You become more confident and more assertive. What's more, if you are faced with a stressful situation 30 minutes after you have stood like this for 2 minutes, your body will react to the stress differently than if you had not stood like this.